Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is problems on HCF and LCM. Before moving on to the topic, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation materials for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Before moving on to the topic of HCF and LCM, let's discuss the homework problem which was given in Numbers Part 2. After that, we will move on to the topic of HCF and LCM. Yeah, so this was the problem given in Part 2 of Numbers. What is the unit digit in 6374 raised to the power 1793 into 625 raised to the power 317 into 341 raised to the power 491? And our answer is option A, that is 0. Now let's see how our answer is option A. Well, first we will just take as unit digit in 6374 raised to the power 1793 equals to unit digit in 4 raised to the power 1793. Now unit digit in 4 raised to the power 2 into raised to the power 896 into 4. Unit digit in 6 into 4 equals to 4. Then unit digit in 625 raised to the power 317 equals to unit digit in 5 raised to the power 317, that is equals to 5. Then similarly for 341 raised to the power 491, now we will take it 1, that is also 1. And in last required digit, unit digit in 4, 5 into 1, that is 0. So as you can see, the solution is very confusing. So what happens is we have taken the last digit of each number, like 41793. Then similarly for 625 we have taken 5 to the power 317. For 341 we have taken 1 raised to the power 491. And at last what we did in unit digit in 4, 5 and 1 we have multiplied, that is equals to 0. Now why 0? So that's why your answer is option A. And now we will move on to the topic of problems on HCF and LCM. So in this topic, in this part, we will cover the basics, and from the next part, we will move on to the questions of problems on HCF and LCM. See, it is very important for solving questions that you know the basics well. So let's start. For problems on HCF and LCM, first is factors and multiples. If a number divided another number b, exactly say that a is a factor of b. In this case, b is called a multiple of a. So we will understand this with the help of an example. Let's say that if 4 is divided by 2 exactly, now we do not have a remainder here. So 4 is a factor of 2 and 2 is called a multiple of 4. Highest common factor HCF or greatest common measure GCM or greatest common divisor GCD. What is HCF, GCD or GCM? So HCF of two numbers or more than two numbers is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. There are two methods of finding the HCF. First is factorization method and second is division method. Factorization method express each one of the given numbers as the product of prime numbers. The product of least powers of common prime factors gives HCF. Second is division method. Suppose we have to find the HCF of two given numbers. So divide the larger number by smaller one. Now divide the divisor by the remainder and repeat the process till you obtain a 0. The last divisor is required HCF. Now finding the HCF of more than two numbers. Suppose we have to find the HCF of three numbers, then HCF of any two, and the third number gives the HCF of three given number. Similarly, HCF of more than three numbers may be obtained. Now least common multiple, that is LCM. So least common multiple or the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number is called LCM. There are two methods of finding LCM, just as same as HCF, factorization method and division method. So in factorization method, resolve each one of the given numbers into a product of prime factors. Then LCM is the product of highest powers of all the factors. In division method, that is a shortcut method, arrange the given numbers in a row in any order, divide by a number which divided exactly at least two of the given numbers, and carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Repeat the process till no two of the numbers are divisible by same number except for one, and the product of the divisors and undivided numbers is the required LCM of the given numbers. Now product of two numbers equals to product of their HCF and LCM. Coprime. Two numbers are said to be coprime if their HCF is 1. HCF and LCM. These are the formulas of HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM of decimal fractions. So what happens if let's say if we have a decimal number, so make the same number of decimal places by annexing zeros in some number if necessary. Considering those numbers without decimal point, you have to calculate the HCF and LCM. Now in the result, mark off as any decimal places are there in of the given numbers. Comparison of fractions. Find the LCM of the denominator of the given fraction. Convert each of the fraction into equivalent fraction of LCM as the denominator by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number. The resultant fraction will be the greatest numerator is the greatest. So now you must be confused with these definitions and the concepts. So you read it once or take the screenshot or note it down, whatever suits you. Once you solve the problems, you will find it very easy to understand. So we will solve the problems on HCF and LCM in the next part of the video. Till then, do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.